Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS width, height and max width property. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS width initial value. So we are going to see how it works. Also, let's get back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS width property along with the length property, along with the length values. So right now what we are here to do is that we are trying to do another thing in another dimension. So inside this our let's use our body element on this way. Firstly, let's use initial right here inside our body element to see what will happen. When we specify initial, definitely we are trying to say that this should have its default value. So let's say for instance now this one also, if we give it initial, let's reload our document. It's going to have its default value from the HTML. The default value which the HTML gave this element is the one it's going to have. And this one also, if you give it initial, let's reload it also. Can you see it's having its default width value from the HTML. For you to know that it's really having the default value, I'm going to do something to this one right now. Let's use height. The height right here, I'm going to specify initial also inside it. So let's save our document now and see what will happen when I reload. Can you see nothing occurs because it's already having its default value. So the default value from the HTML, the default value they gave this element, particularly the fit set element, particularly is the one is going to have. This width also the same thing. When we give it initial value, it's going to take the default value which has been specifically gave to it from the beginning. Can you see? Can you see the default value is this thing now is now having its default value. So I want you guys to practice this. I have to leave it right here for now. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.